Here at Kathmandu University is where an important project has taken place to support independent academic cooperation based on initiatives from researchers and institutions in the south and their partners in Norway. One of the partners is Professor Bishal Sitola from the University of Life Science.
We are coordinating a NUFU funded project with Nepal as a main partner, and Pakistan, Afghanistan is a networking partner, and we are promoting the institutional collaboration through enrollment of Ph.D. students, having joint research together and empowering the institution in South.
The program is called the Norwegian Programme for Development, Research and Education, also known as NUFU, and it gives special consideration to women pursuing a career in higher education. One of the researchers being supported is Farida Begum from Pakistan. She is currently working at the Department of Environmental Science at Kathmandu University.
I did my master in zoology, animal sciences, and then my earlier education was 16 years of education, and that's why I applied for this MPhil leading to PhD program that is supported by him at NUFU, and that's why I first enrolled for the MPhil program here at Kathmandu University, and in August 2007, and till now, from that time, I have done my MPhil and I got the degree also, and now I'm doing my PhD, same work that what I have already done in my MPhil, but it's quite extensive research. And I have already defended my proposal and started the field work also. I have done 2 times sampling.
Farida's work is unique in the sense that it's the first study looking at using soil organisms, particularly soil mesofauna, to predict the soil's quality and thereby also give some suggestions as to how to better manage the soil or manage it sustainably. So this is the first time that such research is being done in the Himalayan region, at least. Prior work in this area has been done mainly in Europe and the US.
P-edaphic means those organisms, those are living above the surface of the soil. Okay, those are living within the soil. Okay, they are not that much exposure to the light. They don't have wings. Those type of organisms.
Another researcher supported by NUFU is doing her fieldwork in Chitwan National Park.
I'm Shalu Adhikari. I joined Kathmandu University in the year 2006 as a faculty in the Department of Environment Science and Engineering. I'm a woman, and of course I'm a teacher at the university too. I'm a wife and then a research scholar, so it's very difficult managing all those times and then taking the classes, being with the kid, and all the laboratory works. It's difficult, but we manage it anyway. We have to.
Shalu's work is specifically focused on looking at how wetland systems behave in terms of their ability to sequester carbon and thereby mitigate climate change impacts on a local scale. And the Beast Hazari Tal area, which is in the southern part in the Tarai region of Nepal, has an important role to play in, especially in biodiversity conservation, and we think that it has benefits in carbon sequestration and management as well.
We have lots of forest. Around 40% of the total land is covered with forest, and we even have wetlands, and even the most of the rural areas, the economy is based on agriculture. So carbon, the greenhouse gases and the atmospheric carbon dioxide is one of the major source for global warming. So I just wanted to quantify how much is trapped by those systems and how can we best store carbons in all those pools and in all those ecosystems.
We are actually taking the sediments from different areas of the lake, from the shallow area, from the deep areas, and then we will cut those sediments into various slices in various increments, and finally take those to the laboratory for carbon analysis. At the same time, we'll take the temperature, pH, conductivity, some physical parameters, water level, which is important for
now it's 3.1 meters.
The carbon accumulation.
Yes, Salu? Here it is actually 3.1.
Here means where?
Back in Norway, another Ph.D. student is studying greenhouse gas emissions from different agricultural practices in areas of Nepal and India.
I have joined this Department of International Environment and Development Studies in 2008. I have enrolled as a Ph.D. student, and my research has been funded by NUFU program.
The NUFU funded students have to do extensive field and lab work.
Well, this is actually the two gases, nitrous oxide and methane, that I'll be, this is in this bottle. If you see here, then you can see like the upper part is vacant and the lower is the one, and this is airtight. So we just measure like how much gases with the soil will be here, and that will be, the samples will be injected from here, and then it will be analyzed. After I finished my degree, then I had a plan to involve in the academic side. So it's like working as a researcher as well as working especially on the field of climate change, which is really a burning issue these days. So I guess the knowledge I get after my completion will be a great help for Nepal as well.
In order to make equitable and meaningful development, there should be a gender equality in different arena of higher education, and therefore we thought that it is a unique opportunity provided by NUFU funding to bring women in the forefront of research.
We are very orthodox kind of a society, and only 1% of the Nepalese women are educated. So it's quite difficult in terms of in terms of our culture and in terms of our society. And it is benefiting because you know, we say it, if a man is educated, then he is only educated in Nepali. If a woman is educated, then her whole family is educated. So that way, I do encourage Nepalese women to get higher education, you know, though there are social bounds and all those things, you know, that's a part. Maybe I can be a model to them, but you have to work hard.
This collaboration is bringing a really meaningful element in society, that is creating a new generation of female researchers that will be a change agent for future, and also we will be collaborating further on with this researcher in future, so that this gives a continuity of research collaboration between North and South.
I think this is very important. If they will not empower if they will not give this type of assistance or financial or something like that, it is very difficult for a woman to complete their studies.
The NUFU project is encouraging women to pursue higher education, and it is also supporting financially in our research. So overall, NUFU project is empowering the women of Nepal. So I think it's really a good opportunity for us.
The road to research, particularly for women, is a great challenge. But with conscious intentions and efforts of the candidates, and with the help of such funding, empowerment of a new generation of female researchers is making a change in the developing world.